Yeah, man, this is pretty bad. So when I'm talking about like caring for your hair in braids, this is one of the reasons why. Now, shout out to this stylist for posting this. So let me give credit where credit is due. So I don't know her name because on Instagram because I found her on Facebook, not IG. But if y'all know her, feel free to tag her to this post. You know what also causes this issue? That African American urge to not get your hair cut before you put it in braids because you don't want the ends of the braids to stick out, or the fact that your braider might complain that the ends are too blunt and they're not laying right. Let it go. Let it go. Make sure these people not dipping your hair all the way into the hot water, right? And listen, I know it's hard to find a braider who is also a hairstylist who also cares about healthy hair, but I need you guys to do your due diligence because you will be caught in this cycle forever if at some point you don't draw the line and say, hey, I need to go to people who specialize in healthy hair and people who I'm not just going to get a style done and then go to the people who do specialize in healthy hair expecting them to perform a miracle, because it ain't gonna happen. Drop a fire emoji if you want me to make more videos like this.